In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Chrome browser with a password. So this can be really useful if you want to stop other people from accessing your browser, and this will also stop people from seeing your search history and also your personal information. So to do this, you just need to click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side. You can then click on extensions and press visit Chrome Web Store. In the search box, we need to go and type in lock browser and press enter, and then you need to click on this top website here, which is browser lock. Go and click on add to Chrome and then press add extension. Now once you've installed this, we need to press activate now. You can then click on start now, and you'll need to go and create a browser lock account. You can also set yourself a browser password, and this is the password that's going to be used to log into the browser. You can then press register, and you'll also need to go and verify your email address. Now once you're logged in, you'll see run in background. Make sure this is set to yes. You can then scroll down and personalize all of these different settings. Now what you can do is go and close out of your Chrome browser. You can then reopen Google Chrome. Now as you can see, it's going to pop up with this password, and until we enter the password, we can't actually enter Google Chrome. So if I go and enter my password and press login, you can see we can now access the browser, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.